Hello everyone, and after a long break we are back on the videos. Today we are going to set the background color, the color of the text and the align text. So there are three types of align text we are going to learn today. We'll start learning. Let's open VS Code, and here I had written some code which I'm going to tell you how to do all of it. So last time we did the inline CSS, and today we are going to do the internal CSS. So CSS is a language used to style different elements in an HTML file. So if you want to watch the video of CSS, click on the I button over here and watch that video. So first of all, for creating an internal CSS, go into the head tag, enter and type in style and enter. So here we are going to type in all the code of the CSS language, and it's really easy, don't worry. Now first of all, we will be going in the element. Here I have some dummy text, and for styling an element we type in the class and the ID. So first we are going to type in the class like this, and here we are going to type in any name. So for example, I'll type in P1, which means paragraph 1, and I'll go to the style, I'll give a space, and I'll put a dot P1. So why do we put a dot over here? We put a dot over here to tell the code to style this class, and the class we are talking about is the class P1 of the element paragraph. Now after you have done this, type in curly brackets and enter. Inside here we are going to type all the code of CSS. So today, as we are going to learn the color, text align and background color. First of all, let me type in the color, enter, and let me tell you this. After you have typed in the color, background color, anything, type in a colon. Give a space and type in semicolon. Now here we are going to type the code. So not the code actually, we are going to type in the color which we like. For example, orange, white, blue, all those things. So I'll choose white and I'll save it. And I'm going to tell you about an extension in VS Code. So go to extensions, and this is the live server extension. Search in live server, and here it is. It should look something like this. I've already installed it, so it is giving me an option of uninstall. So you all have to install it. Now I'll tell you what the advantages of this extension are. Let me go to the file, and now here right click and open with live server. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds and it will automatically open the file. So it will say looking, and because we had given the text as white, so it is text color white, and I don't know where the text is. We'll change the color as black. No, not this one. Black. So I'll be telling you a color, the hex colors, HEX colors, which are used. You see, this is the black. I saved it and it automatically came in the next video. So there will be an extra video in which we are going to learn about external CSS and the hex colors. So the color is black, and now let's set the BG color. You can type in the whole spelling of background or type in BGCOLOR, and don't choose this one. This is the hex colors, so choose this one. And in all the syntaxes, CSS will always have a colon and a semicolon. So inside here, type in the background color. For example, I'm gonna type in orange, and I'll save it. And let's go to the document. It became orange. So now we are going to set the text align. Wait. And I'm gonna give all of this code and all of the projects I'm working on if I get at least 5 subscribers extra, and if I get 10 likes on this video. Let's just give the text align now. As you can see, it is over here, text align. There are different text aligns, but we are gonna talk about center, left and right. So the text align center makes your text in the center. I'll save this and show it to you. Just a second. Yeah. So this made the text align center. Now let's choose it as left. Enter and save. And let's go. You see, it became left. Now if I choose it as right and save it, it came to the right. So we have completed all the CSS course of today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, click on the subscribe button and share this video with all your friends. Thank you.